Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Shopify store with Instagram and Facebook step by step. So this is useful if you want to make it easier to manage your products across your store and social media accounts. So to get started, I want you to log into your Shopify admin dashboard, and from the menu on the left side, click on apps. And once the app section opens, use the search bar and look for the Facebook and Instagram. And when you find the correct app in the search results, click on it to open its app page. And from here, select install and then confirm the installation when Shopify asks you to. After that, Shopify will add the app to your store and automatically open it inside your dashboard. Now, signing in using the Facebook account connected to your business page, this will link your Shopify store with your Facebook and Instagram accounts. And once it is connected, Shopify can sync your product catalog, making it easier to manage products and tag them in a social media post. And that is basically how you can connect Shopify with Instagram and Facebook. And once everything is successfully connected, you can also check the settings inside the app and make sure everything is set up the way you want it. Thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.